Hey, it's Bill here, and I want to show you how you can add your digital signature to the report cards. So the first thing to know is that I have sent you a digital copy of your signature, which you should hang on to because chances are you're going to move from one school to another. So you're going to need this as you move through your career. The second piece is that you'll be putting that in on the Maplewood side, and it will only be visible from the Maplewood side. So when it comes to printing, you're going to be printing inside Maplewood if you want that digital signature to be on the report card. Okay, so knowing that, I want to show you a couple of things. So I'm going to back out of this Maplewood. Okay, so on my desktop, I downloaded a sample of a signature. And yours will probably have your name on it, and you'll notice at the end of it, it'll say period JPG for JPEG. So that's going to be really important. So what we need to do now is we're going to rename this file. So in Windows or Word, typically if you right click on it, one of your options will be rename. And we want to rename it a very specific name. So PRINC for principal, SIG, and you want to have that period JPEG there. Okay, so once you've done that, that's great. Next thing to do is now we're going to right click on it and we're going to make a copy. Okay, so we're just going to copy it. Done. Now I'm going to go back to my Maplewood instance, and when I log in, I have a choice of going either into Maplewood Full or into the data folder. In this case, I want to go into the data folder, and I'm looking for pictures, and I'm looking for logo. Now, it's quite possible there already is a signature in there. It doesn't matter. What you want is that print sig, and you're going to right click now, and we're going to paste that image, there it is, that we had before. Notice over here how it says JPEG image, and my signature just says prints sig. You don't see that .jpg that I put in. It's over here, sort of in a hidden field. So that's where a lot of people have got caught. They're adding the JPEG again. They say, oh, I don't see it here, so I'll rename it and add it in now. Don't do that. Don't do that. The way it is right here, prints sig, that's exactly what it should look like. So let's take a look and see if it actually prints. So I'm going to Marks, and I'll go to Print Report Cards, Ontario Report Card 1 to 8. And I'm going to choose by homeroom. That's the way we've organized it, so we'd ask you to do it by homeroom. You'll notice also here it says include digital signature, which is great, that's what you want. And the date doesn't, right now, doesn't really matter. Okay, and what we're going to do in this case is we're just going to take a look, right? So we're just going to view it. All right, and we're going to do individuals, and at this point we want to pick a grade 8, some class, not kindergarten right now. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, and then click OK, and now it's going to start building it up. Okay, and now you've got the report card, and we'll just go to the second page, and there's the signature right there.